The next type of accident is at an intersection. It happens when a car is turning right at the intersection and they get hit by a car that's coming straight. So they are, the driver of this pink car will be looking over his shoulder left and then switches over to look where he's going and gets hit by a car that's coming along this way. This is not that common. It happens because their attention has to be over their shoulder, looking left, checking, and then back right so that they can see what's ahead of them. This is accident type 11. If you have been in this type of accident, please leave a comment after the video. Thanks.
So basically this guy was trying to turn right on a red light, and this was her first experience. Her husband got like rented or bought a motorcycle and it was first time ever on it, and so she was driving, and I guess, I don't know if he didn't see her or something, but they were driving and there was the green for them, and this guy starts to go and they freaked out and they basically like started swerving really bad. I don't know if the car hit them, but they freaked out, swerved really bad, and then they crashed into a different car that was on the other side.
Once you lock the brakes on the bike,
and crashed into a completely different car. And she was paralyzed. No, she was paralyzed for a little bit. She had amnesia. It was horrible. I feel so bad for her, but she's okay now. She got her memory back. This was like about 4 or 5 years ago.
I was coming.
This is you?
Yeah, this is me. And then, so I stopped. There's 2 cops across the street right here.
2 cops?
Yeah. Oh, not the rollers. Alright, so look, they was right there. Right?
A little bit more.
So I stopped and then I looked both ways and then I didn't see no car. So I start coming out and then probably, let's say my car's like this, right? Like already like out, like halfway out.
Yeah.
And some lady comes by and just bam. But I hit her like right here at the very end. So it's like the door.
Perfect. So did you have you had a red light where you could turn right on red?
No, it was a stop sign.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So I was right here,
Okay.
basically, but I was on a bicycle.
Okay.
So I was coming over, and this car was right here, and like this, say this is the turning lane.
Okay.
I'm right here. I pull over. He doesn't even look to see if I'm right here. He just looks this way to the left, and then he goes, boom, smacks me. I go, the bike flies. He damaged my bike. I did kind of like a little flip. I landed, and I was very hurt. I got up and I was mad. Excuse me, I cussed at the dude, but he just drove off. He didn't even look. He just sped off after that.
I was about to make a right turn, and he just came out of nowhere. So
Out of the crosswalk, huh?
he wasn't on the crosswalk.
Oh, okay.
So he came out of nowhere. So that's when
They always do.
So something like this?
He was in the wrong way.
he wasn't. Yeah,
Oh, that sucks.
yeah. But he was fine.
He was fine,
Got
and your car has like a...
No dent.
Nice!
I barely moved. I was barely going 5 miles an hour when kind of collided.